Hello, children. My name is Teacher Sunny, and today we are going to learn about the long vowel A sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the long vowel A. A, 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 A. R, A, Rain, rain. A, R, hair, hair. Rapunzel has a very long hair. Very good. Now you've got a star. The next one is K, A, S, case, case. A, S, vase, vase. All right, class. Very good. Now you already got 2 stars. One more to go. P, R, A, pray, pray. K, L, A, clay, clay. Great job! Now you have already know about the long vowel A sound. And you also got 3 stars. See you on our next lesson. Bye-bye!